You are welcome to this video. On this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to make $2.31 in every 2 minutes. This is CPA marketing, so you don't need any sales to earn this amount. You don't need a website to do this. You don't need to pay for anything. So if you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. As you can see, this is CPA Grip. So what we want to do is that we have to create an account. So once you create an account, you can log in and then you begin to promote products. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here. Once you come here, you are going to scroll down and come to offer tools. So you are going to click on that. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to click on my offers. So once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to select the country so that you can promote products here. So you can select any country that you want, provided you have audience in that country, or you can reach out to people in that country. So this is CPA marketing. You need to get people to sign up with their email so that you can earn a commission. So what you are going to do is you are going to come here and then search for Canada. So you are going to search for Canada, as you can see. So once you search for Canada, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are products that you can promote, and when you promote this product, you don't need to get a sale before you are paid. So for example, when you promote this product and then you get people to sign up with their email, you are going to earn $2.05. As you can see, there's another one here. You can earn $2.31, and these people must be desktop users, and you can see they have to only submit their email and zip code. So as you can see right here, so when you scroll down, you can see there are a lot of them that you can promote. You can see this one, for example, you are going to earn $2.31 per email sign up. So as you can see right here, and these people must be mobile users, all kinds of mobile devices that they are using. They can sign up with their email and zip code, and you are going to be paid. So you must promote this product to people in Canada, not any other country, but only Canadians. Make sure you take note of that. So we are going to be promoting this product. As you can see, get $750 to spend at Walmart. So this is a Walmart gift card that you are going to promote. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the product and you can begin to promote it. Once you click on the product, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see, this is the payout, $2.31, and this is the link that you are going to use to promote the product. So this is your unique affiliate link. So when people sign up for the offer through this particular link, you are going to earn a commission, so which is $2.31. So what we are going to do is that we are now going to find a traffic source so that we can promote this particular offer. So I'm going to show you free traffic sources that you can use to promote this particular offer. So you can begin promoting your product on this particular website, cannetas.com. So this is a website that allows you to post free ads to only Canadians. So as you can see here, it's for only Canadians. So what you are going to do is that you are going to post an ad directed to only Canadians. So you are going to be posting the offer here to Canadian people, and they will sign up for the product for you to earn a commission. So we are going to click here, post ads. So you are going to click on that and you can begin posting your ad. So as you can see, once you click on post ad, you can see you are going to enter the title of your ad and then the description. Once that is done, you can proceed with the rest. So we are going to enter the title of the offer here. When you come to the product, you can see get $750. So that is the title of the offer. So we are going to copy the exact title and post it on our ad. So we are going to copy and paste it here. So once that is done, you are going to write a simple description of your ad here. So you are going to write something about the product. So as you can see, this is my description. The next thing is that you are going to add product image. So you are going to go back and then save the product image. So when you come back to CPA Grip, you are going to right click and then select this option, save image as. So you are going to save the image onto your PC and then upload it as your ad image. So I'm going to upload the image right here. So you click on choose file and you can upload the image right here. So you are going to select that and then upload the image. So as you can see, the image has been uploaded. The next thing is that you are going to add your affiliate link right here, so that when people view your ad, they can click through the affiliate link and then sign up for the offer so that you can earn a commission. So what you are going to do is you are going to come back and you are going to come here and then you are going to scroll down and then select grab click. So once you select that, you are going to come here, click on copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going back to your ad and you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So once that is done, you are going to select the category. So you are going to select business opportunities and the subcategory is money making. So you are going to select that. The next thing is that you are going to target a city in Canada. So you are going to leave it blank because blank means all cities. So you want all the cities in Canada. So here you are going to enter the ad owner name, which is your own name or any name that you want to write here. You can just enter that. So as you can see, I'm going to type my name right here. So the next thing is that you are going to add phone number right here. So and then your email. So I'm going to enter my email right here. So as you can see, you are going to enter your email. The phone number is optional. Once that is done, you are going to add your password here. So you are going to set a password for your ad so that anytime you come here, you can search for your ad. So you are going to put a password. So this is a simple password. As you can see it here. The next thing is that you are going to type this particular code here because this website, they will always check to see if you are a human or a robot. So you are going to type this code so that they can verify that you are a human. So you are going to enter that. So as you can see, we are done and that is all. So the next thing is that you are going to come right here and then submit your ad. So you are going to click on that. Once you click on submit, you can see the ad has been posted successfully. And you can see that your ad is activated already. So this ad is live on the platform. The good news is that this ad is going to last for the whole year. As you can see, 365 days starting from today. So the next website, we are going to come to gap.com. So on this website, they allow you to post free links. They allow you to post anything that you like. So what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for an account. So in one of my videos, I showed you how to sign up for an account. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on groups. Once you click on groups, you are going to join many groups. You can join any group that you want right here. It works like Facebook. So they have groups. You can also post directly on your timeline. But for this purpose, you have to join a group. You can see Canada News. So you are going to join a group like this. I have joined. As you can see, it has 47k members. So you have a larger audience to promote your product. When you scroll down, you can see, please post as much as you like. So let me do that for you to see. So as you can see, you are going to write a simple text like this. As you can see, breaking news: Walmart is giving away a 750 gift card to Canadians for free. And then you can see only few people are needed to claim this offer. For more details, visit this link. So this is a simple post that you can just make on this particular group and you are going to get people to sign up for the offer for you to earn a commission. What you are going to do is that you are going to come back to CPA Grip and you are going to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come to bit.ly.com. So you are going to create a free bit.ly account. Once you create a bit.ly account, you are going to come here and then click on create. Once you click on create, you are going to paste your link right here. Once you paste your link, you are going to click on create again. You are going to see a page like this. And what you are going to do is that you are going to customize this particular link. As you can see, I've already customized it. Always remember to customize this link. Once you customize your link, you are going to click on save. As you can see, your link has been edited. So you are going to copy this particular link. Once you copy your shortened link, you are going to come to the group, and what you are going to do is that you are going to paste your link right here. So the next thing is that you are going to add an image so that your post can look nice. So you are going to come here and then upload the image that you saved earlier on. So you are going to upload the image right here, as you can see. So as you can see, this is the image. As you can see, everything. So the next thing is that we are now going to post this to the people in this particular group. And as you can see, this website, they don't block links like Facebook. So you can post to the group the number of times that you want. So we are going to click on post and our post can go live on this particular group. As you can see, compost submit success. So the post is now live on this particular group and you are going to be getting people to sign up for the offer for you to earn a commission. So let me show you the post. So when you come right here home, as you can see, this is the post and you can see 26 seconds ago. So that is how you use this strategy to make money with CPA offers. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Once again, thank you for watching. We shall meet in another video.